Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing some more takeoffs and landings here at my airport. Also, as a small update, I've added these taxiways, which is here, and right over there. I've also added this space, and that'll be probably filled with hangars at the moment. Later on down the road, maybe extend into a second terminal and then expand more, but for now that's the idea. So let's get started. Here we have a Interjet. We're getting ready to taxi to the runway, heading towards Mexico City. Here we have Southwest Airlines in the Arizona scheme, just landed from Phoenix, Arizona. Interjet at runway for takeoff. Arizona 1, taxiing to the gate. Here we have United Airlines, which will be taking off to Houston. And at the moment, that's pretty much it. Until I get more planes and more ideas, I guess, the videos will get a little more better than what they are right now. But at the meantime, I'm just dealing with what I have at the moment. I just started this airport hobby, and just bear with me at the moment. Eventually I'll start getting some more airplanes, routes, and also expanding on the layout here. The runway's still not done. Haven't got any numbers on it. I still need to put more jetways. Well, I plan to put more jetways. Sorry about that. Whenever I get a terminal, I meant to say taxiways. I still have 2 more that need to connect to the runway. And probably build some hangars, a control tower. I need to get some American Airlines, since I have these 2 jetways marked for American Airlines. This one's just more of a any planes with that come once or twice a week, special routes and stuff. And that's pretty much it at the moment. Like what you see, and I'll keep those videos coming as long as you all want them. See y'all later. Thank you.